Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to install FFmpeg 4.x on Ubuntu OS. Before we begin, take a look at AccuWebHosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@AccuWebHosting.com. Let's begin the tutorial. In order to install FFmpeg on your system or VPS or dedicated server, you need to perform the following steps. Step 1. Connect to your system or server and update all the install packages. Step 2. Add PPA Repository. Step 3. Install FFmpeg. Step 4. Verify FFmpeg installation. Step 5. Test FFmpeg. First, we will see the prerequisites of the FFmpeg installation. First one is your system or VPS or dedicated server must have Ubuntu OS. In this video, we have used Ubuntu 18.04 as an example. Second one is you must have root access or access to a user with sudo privileges. Here, we have used root access to install FFmpeg. Let's go through the steps in detail. Step 1. Connect to your system or server and update all the install packages. You can connect to your system or server through SSH as the root user or as a user with sudo privileges. To do this, enter the following command in the terminal. Replace the IP address and port number with your actual server IP address and SSH port number. Copy this command. Paste it on the terminal and press Enter. Enter the password of the root user in the password field and press Enter. Congratulations! You are logged into your server. Once you are logged into the system or server, you have to type the following commands in the terminal to update all of your currently installed packages to their latest available versions. Copy the command. Paste it in the terminal and press Enter. This process may take 2 to 3 minutes to complete it. Step 2. Add PPA Repository. Here, we would like to inform you that FFmpeg 4 is the latest version of FFmpeg application. Since it is the latest version, it is not added in the official Ubuntu repositories. So, in order to install it, you will have to add a PPA repository in your system. Execute the following command in the terminal to add the PPA repository in your system. Copy the command. Paste it in the terminal and press Enter. Once you have added a PPA repository in your system, you need to update the package index of the Ubuntu OS. For that, you need to enter the following command in the terminal. Copy the command. Paste it in the terminal and press Enter. Step 3. Install FFmpeg. In order to install FFmpeg version 4.x, you need to execute the following command in the terminal. Copy the command. Paste it in the terminal and press Enter. The installation process may take a few seconds to complete it. Step 4. Verify FFmpeg installation. In order to verify the FFmpeg installation, you need to execute the following command, which will print the FFmpeg version. Copy the command. Paste it in the terminal and press Enter. Congratulations! FFmpeg is successfully installed into your system or VPS or dedicated server. You can see the FFmpeg version from here. Step 5. Test FFmpeg. Let's see the working of the FFmpeg by converting an MP3 audio file to an OGG audio file. In order to convert a multimedia file with FFmpeg, you need to determine the appropriate parameter. For example, you can convert an MP3 file to an OGG file using the following commands. Let's see it in the practical way. First, we will download one MP3 file from the archive.org site by using wget command. Copy the command with wget. Paste it in the terminal and press Enter. You can see that the MP3 file is downloading. Type ls command in the terminal to see the MP3 file. Now, execute the following command to convert the MP3 file to an OGG file. Copy the command. Paste it in the terminal and press Enter. You can see that the converting process is started. This may take 2 to 3 minutes to complete it. Type ls command to see the OGG file. You can see that OGG file is created. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to install FFmpeg 4.x on Ubuntu OS. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please click on the thumb button. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to view such easy to understand technical videos published by AccuWebHosting.com. Thank you for watching.